Well, we're going to use a command we haven't used too often. It's called grep. Grep lets us search through a file and find something. Well, we're looking for bozo in the etc/passwd file, and it only shows us bozo. If we do shadow, same thing. Oops, OW. Oh yes, I forgot my sudo in there. There. So that only shows bozo's hashed password with a bunch of other stuff that's not part of the hash. So we need to then, we're going to copy bozo, or we're going to rename bozo. Yeah, we're going to rename bozo because this part is about modifying users. So -L, we're going to copy bozo. There. Now if we go and search for bozo, it's now bozo2. Well, what if we search for bozo2? What do we see? Do we end up with two files, two users? Well, by golly, we did. So we copied bozo. So we didn't change the login name, we copied it. We have two different logins. Let's try and take a look at this. Now notice, this is exactly the same, this is exactly the same, this is exactly the same. So did we really end up with two bozos? No, we ended up with two usernames pointing to the same account. So we ended up with a kind of an alias, I guess. So let's user mod back to the way we were before and see what happens. Oop, one more back. There we go. So bozo2, bozo. There we go. Let's see if we have a bozo2. Nope, no bozo2s anymore. And we're back to just bozo. Let's set some properties for bozo's account. This one is going to require bozo to wait 2 days before he can make a password change, because of course a user can always change their own password. So we did that. Well, let's take a look and see what changed. You see anywhere in here that says 2? Yep, right there. It says he has to wait 2 days. Okay, well, let's make another change so that bozo has to change his password every 40 days. So -M, or maybe we'll put 90. 90 is a little better than 40. All right, let's take a look. There. Instead of forever, we now have 90. Is that better? Sure. Now we want to put in a warning because we don't want to just suddenly say, oh, bozo, you have to change your password right now. Normally you have a warning of a few days before you have to change your password. So we're going to, one more up here. So instead of -M, we're going to go -W, which sounds like warning to me. We'll set it for 5 days. There we go. And we take a look at our shadow, and there's a 5. See, the normal warning would have been 7. So you can see these pieces that we're changing. And that helps. That's how Linux sets up password policies.